It is a quiet morning, and Mark has just woken up in his bright bedroom. Sunlight has filled the room, and the city has started to move outside his window. Mark has opened his laptop and has decided to focus on learning English today. Over the past few months, Mark has studied English every day. He has learned new words, has watched English videos, and has listened to podcasts while walking to work. English has become part of his daily routine. This morning, he has noticed something different. He has understood an English article without using a dictionary. For the first time, he has felt confident and believed in himself. Small efforts have brought big results. Now, Mark has set new goals. He has promised himself to keep going, even when learning feels difficult. English has opened new doors, and his journey has only just begun. Since that morning, Mark has changed the way he learns. He has created a small study corner near the window where he has placed his notebook and headphones. Every day, he has spent at least 30 minutes practicing English with focus and calm. Recently, he has started speaking English out loud. He has recorded his voice, has listened carefully, and corrected his mistakes. Although it has not been easy, he has noticed steady progress and has become more confident. During lunch breaks, Mark has talked to international colleagues. He has shared ideas, has asked questions, and has understood real conversations. English has stopped being just a subject. It has become a real tool. So far, Mark has learned an important lesson. He has realized that consistency matters more than perfection. His journey has not ended, but he has already come a long way. Earlier this week, Mark has experienced a real-life test. While he has been walking through a busy city street, a tourist has stopped him and asked, "Excuse me, can you tell me the time?" Mark has answered confidently and felt proud of himself. A few minutes later, the same tourist has asked for directions to the train station. Mark has listened carefully, has thought for a moment, and explained the way using simple English. He has pointed at the street, has used clear gestures, and said, "Go straight and turn left." After the tourist has thanked him, Mark has realized something important. He has used English in real life, not in a classroom. That small moment has shown him that learning English has truly paid off. Later that day, Mark has returned home feeling tired but happy. He has taken off his jacket, made a cup of coffee, and sat down near the window. The city has looked calmer, and the evening light has filled the room. After that, he has written the moment down in his English notebook. He has noted new phrases like, "Excuse me," "Go straight," and "Turn left." Writing the story has helped him remember the experience more clearly. By the end of the evening, Mark has understood one important thing. English has become part of his life, not just a subject to study. That small story has motivated him to keep learning day after day.